Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai. And in this particular presentation, I am going to share with you one of the most important and very simple option strategy for the November 2021. And this is one of the best strategy you can say. And if you can utilize it properly, you can make very good profit out of that. So before I should start the session, let me give some background about this option strategy. So, name of this particular strategy will be half box spread with short in the money call option, or so short call option in monthly option series, not in the money option. In fact, it is out of money option. So before I should start, I should display here this regarding this particular option subject. Always we used to conduct specific courses, and we had a very fantastic course we have conducted last time. So it was on the month of August. Many of you, those who are in the YouTube subscriber, also joined this program. So it was a long program, 9th August to 11th September. So there also we have utilized this kind of strategy for model portfolio building. So monthly model portfolio building also we have utilized this strategy. I have shown you the live trades what I have initiated. So if you can see, this is my trading portfolio. You can see month of August 2021 to October 2021. So this is what we have demonstrated in the Nifty. So here you can see the profit. So it is a so during the program, many of you have seen that in the month of August to September. September, during that program, I have demonstrated this net profit was near to 3 lakhs. Now you are seeing it as a 6.64 lakhs. So this is what it's a live evidence, and similar kind of strategies are being explained in this program. So entire 13 sessions I have explained similar strategies. I have demonstrated this particular strategies time and again in live market, and in fact it is not the close value of this thing, it is the closing portfolios you are seeing here. If I can show you this open, there is no open positions from the August to October. However, if I just go for the month of November and December, I too have similar kind of strategy in the opening position. So here is the opening position. Now you are seeing there is a 1 lakh negative, but in fact after once the time decay starts, it will also convert into the positive territory. So this is the close positions. If you just see here, I'm going for August to this month of October. So whatever the positions I have closed it, initiated based on this particular strategy and closed it. So this you are seeing this particular gain here. So in fact it will be time decay has not started. So once the time decay starts, will be very much it will come in that. So you can procure this course also. Those who are interested to learn this very authentic techniques of option strategy, how to initiate it from the scratch and how to implement it in the scratch, and it is also in the English and Hindi, both the things. If you want that event is over, however, you can obtain it. The recordings will be given with all workings. So this is what we have done on that time. So currently also we have scheduled one more such program, because here in Smart Finance always we give the evidence based techniques, the techniques which will work. So here also one program we are going to conduct from the 8th of November. Live market, we are going to demonstrate the intraday trading using our software. So 4 days it will be live market. I'll be giving you the training how to do the intraday trade using our softwares. Along with that, you'll be given access to all our software for 1 month period. So here, all these softwares which is being listed here, these softwares will be given to you for 1 month period. If you want to enroll, visit to our site, go to the seminar link and just register yourself. So now I am just going to that particular strategy. It is a very simple strategy. It is very simple strategy and it comes to a strategy. Technically speaking, this particular strategy comes to a level of delta zero. So we are defining a strategy having delta zero. So how I can make it? So this is one of the best strategy I can say. So if you just see in my portfolio, the same strategy I have repeated from the month of August, month of September, month of October. So here I'm just giving you from the half box spread view. You can also add on to the put side in the similar way. So here what I have all call side in the similar way. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just selling a November monthly expiry, 19,000 put option, and I'm buying a 18,500 put option. So it is a deep in the money put option, and this is also in the money put option. So by this process, 355 rupees credit I am receiving. So I have a depth between this 19,000 to 18,000, 500 points. I am receiving 355 points as a credit. So balance will be my loss. So here this is 5 and 9 5 as 4 and 4 3 are 1. So 145 rupees will be my loss if Nifty maintains below 18,500 till the end of November, till November 25th, if Nifty maintains below 18,500, then this 145 rupees will be my loss. However, if the Nifty crosses above 19,000, this 355 rupees will be my net gain. So I need to manage this 145 rupees. So to manage that, I am selling one deep out of money call option of December 19,500. See the strike here, 19,000 put option I am selling, 18,500 put option I am buying for the November 25th expiry. I am selling a December month's 19,500 call option at 155. So by this process, I am making this particular strategy to delta zero. So how it will come delta zero? Whenever you sell a put option that to deep in the money put option, you will have a delta as +1. This is also a in the money put option. However, it is having some or near to 130 rupees of time value. So this will have lesser delta. So you can say, so if this is 1, this will come to 0.75 delta or 0.65 delta. So whatever the balance I am getting, so this is I am getting plus 0.25 delta. To manage this plus 0.25 delta, I am selling a deep out of money call option of December. So that this will also have a delta of 0.25. So my position will be delta zero. Delta zero. If there is a huge fall happens or fall continues, what will happen? This 155 rupees will be decayed, and if there is no hope of revival above 19,000, you can say month of November end, this 155 option may be going to 10 or 20 rupees, and you will have a very small losses, 10 to 20 points you can lose. But if this particular trend reverses and the price or the Nifty goes above 19,000, then what happens? Your this 355 rupees will be converted to a complete profit. However, this call option also would have got appreciated maybe that time around 200, 250 or 300 level. So here 350 rupees you will be gaining, hardly some 150 rupees you will be losing. So by this process, if I can say the risk and the reward, your risk will be approximately 20 points and your reward will be approximately 200 points. So this is an excellent risk reward mechanism, and if you follow this risk reward mechanism and formulate a strategy and go along with this, what will happen over a period of time? Maybe every month you may not make money. Whenever the trending nature comes into the market, we will also experience similar kind of profit what I am showing here. Similar kind of profit. However, this looks very simple. This is only in the layman's understanding I have given. However, to learn this entire concept in its technicality, total technicality, you require to understand delta. You need to understand how this delta behaves on different situations. So here delta neutral strategy how to develop, vega neutral strategy how to develop. If you keep that interest to learn these concepts, so though this event has ended 9th August to 11th September, the similar or the recordings are available in English and Hindi. You can very well procure these recordings and just go through these recordings and the associated Excel sheets, and couple of times if you just watch into those videos, you will also master all these techniques. So option strategy, everything is possible, and if you do it properly, you will definitely get rewarded. So this I have demonstrated a very simple strategy so that you can understand this strategy, implement this strategy. Those who wants to implement also, they can implement this strategy and they can experience. However, it is only half box spread. You can form full box spread along with the similar kind of delta zero theme and aim from making the profits. And this particular recordings you will find out in our seminar link. Once you go here, seminar link. So here F&O course you can get it. It is a entire near to 40 hours, of 40 plus hours of recording in English and Hindi. In most simplified way, I have explained all this. And we are now open for the registration, the live market training on intraday trades and positional trade using the Smart Finance most advanced softwares. So Smart Finance software doesn't use the 1970s indicators or oscillators. Those are the very age-old concepts. We use many advanced concepts. So to give a feel how our software works, how you should do intraday trade. So 4 days I am going to conduct the live market sessions, and on the 5th day I will be giving the review of the live market discussions, and you will be given the access to our WDGAN software, technical analysis software, and Smart IT all-in-one software for 1 month period along with this program. Post 1 month, if you are happy with the performance of the software, you can continue with its monthly subscription rate. However, it is at a very discounted price. Along with the program, we are providing this. So registrations are on, and this registration fee will be get revised once the required number of seats are booked. So if you are interested, please enroll for this program. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.